Keeping your eyes on the road is a given when driving. With that in mind, did you know many of your vehicle's useful features are accessible on your steering wheel so you can safely focus on the road ahead? From your steering wheel, you can control the audio, place and answer phone calls, access the voice recognition and the vehicle's navigation system, to name a few, all while keeping your hands on the wheel. To access your audio, press the DII menu button until the music symbol appears on the driver information interface. Then, press the Enter button. Use the up or down button to scroll through the audio sources, such as AM/FM radio, iPod, Sirius XM, Bluetooth, and USB connected devices. Let's select FM. From here, you can access the audio presets by using the left or right button. To seek a station on the current frequency band, press and hold the left or right button until the radio stops at the next station with a strong signal. Press and hold again to seek another station. Also, did you know by simply connecting your phone with Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, it automatically appears as an audio source? Use the left or right button to scroll through your personal music. To adjust the audio volume, simply press Volume up or down on the control panel. The easiest way to access a variety of in-vehicle commands is through the voice recognition system. If Apple CarPlay or Android Auto is enabled in your vehicle, you can access Siri or talk to Google by pressing and holding the Talk button. Ask Siri or talk to Google to quickly access features, like making a phone call, selecting music, and getting directions from the navigation system without your eyes ever leaving the road. Ever try to make a call while driving? Honda makes it quick and simple. After pairing your phone via Bluetooth, press the phone button, and with the up or down buttons, select either speed dial, call history, or your phone book. Let's make a call from your phone book. Select a contact using the up or down button. Then press the Enter button on your steering wheel. After your call, press the Hang Up button to end the call. Ever drive to a previously selected destination and need help getting back there? Honda's navigation system makes it quick and simple. Press the DII menu button until the compass icon appears. Then, press Enter. Press the Enter button a second time to access the navigation menu options. Now scroll through the options with either the up or down buttons. Select Recent Destinations. Use the up or down button to scroll through the destinations and press Enter to start your route. You can also save your favorite destination for convenient future access. The navigation system guides you there,